gon' top me cause all of the fame. Me and Seth Frosty, we running the game. I don't got money, I don't want no chain, but I still see your bitch get the fuck out my lane.
You ready? Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my gosh. Stop fucking lying.
So, but there's controversy over who created the woe?
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Tell me about it. Who else is laying claim to the throne?
No one. Boy, if you don't get...
Nobody else? No, there is one dude. I forget his name.
Adam22 forgot, so let me re-jog his memory. The real creator of the woe, his name is @YoungDeji_ on Instagram, and he created the woe 6 years ago, bro. 6 years ago. He made a tutorial on how to do the woe 6 years ago on YouTube, and it's called Do the Dejo. So let's take a look at the Dejo and let's see if it looks anything like the woe. It's definitely not the woe, but 10K Cash changed the name. Nah, it's definitely not that. Let's take a look.
I'm gonna show y'all how to do this dance. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be smooth. That's first off. That's the way it go.
If any of you have seen what the woe looks like, you'll know that my guy deadass just did the woe, but in 2012. Let's look at 10K Cash and let's see what his woe looks like. It's gonna look the exact same because it's literally the Dejo. His woe is literally the Dejo. Like, just check it.
SOD, bitch. My chain make a light show. Big money, nigga. Big money figure. Bitch made haters. Ballin' like the Lakers. Bitch, I'm getting paper.
Mission failed. We'll get him next time.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my gosh. Stop fucking lying. Always lying.